Hey my peeps, let's make a s'mores macaroon. So I use the molds for these macaroons, but you can make the macaroons by hand. I have a short tutorial and a reel. If you want to see how that's done, check out my page. So I rolled out the white clay for the inside between two craft sticks because I want it to be pretty thin. So now these macaroons, I made them like 2 days before so I could handle them. Cause like the clay is dry, and once you put the wet clay in there, you're gonna need to like kind of smash it down. So you want to make sure that your macaroons are not freshly made, because if you try to smash them down like this, they're gonna lose their shape. Okay. So now I got me some of this chocolate drizzle, which is made with cork, paint, and Mod Podge. So I made my hole a little too big. I feel like I should have made like the hole a little smaller so the drizzle will be a little thinner, but it is what it is. So I suggest that when you do your drizzle, make your hole very tiny so it looks a little bit, like, I don't know, I just like my drizzle to be thin. This one looks a little thick, but it is what I mean. It looks okay, but it's just my preference. So I got some tiny marshmallows that I made. Now I put 5 marshmallows on top of here. Now you can leave it just like this, but then I think I like it without the drizzle, but then I went and put some drizzle on it. And I wanted the drizzle to drip down, but I didn't want to put too much on it where it covers the marshmallows and you can't see it. So that's why I used a stick to kind of get the drizzle to come down. So now I got this coarse sand from Dollar Tree. It just reminded me of like graham cracker crumb, or like a cookie crumb. So I'm gonna just drizzle a little bit of that on top of the chocolate. And then I got some sprinkles, some brown, white, and beige little sprinkles. And I just put not too many, just a few. And then I felt like, well, I didn't feel like, I forgot that I was supposed to put like a little like a mound of the drizzle in the middle, and then put the marshmallows on top, and I kind of forgot to do that. So now I was just trying to kind of fill that in. So put the drizzle on, and put the puddle of chocolate on first. See that other macaron has only 3 marshmallows. I think I like it with less marshmallows. Okay, I don't know, you do it how you want. Talk to you soon. Bye.